来看西班牙南部一个咧做帽仔的师傅，伊的手法真特别，是点火落去烧帽仔，伫这帽仔顶灌烧出多样来，真受到欢迎，伫网络拢称红出名，就连美国好莱坞的名称拢来改注文。
西班牙做帽仔的师傅马德奥，甲液体喷去伫青色的帽仔顶头，刷落来规个帽仔着火。这款画面对足侪人来讲真刺激，毋过对伊来讲真殊常。今年伊42岁。即马毋但是梦称，阁是名声烫惊城的做帽仔的师傅。毋过进前，伊伫咧中东的航空公司做飞行机的图纸。10年前去墨西哥旅行，拄到一个专门甲人订做帽仔的女性，自迄时伊的人生隆重改变。
I thought it would be very cool, like travel around the world, buying all these like nice artisanies that you can put on a hat. So I started doing it.
原底马着学干那做兴趣的尔，结果愈做愈兴，家己开始学来做。过程当中，伊为着要找做帽仔的帽仔、刀仔等等的技师，食足侪苦。后来，伊做出甲人无共款的做法。拄好伫咧即时，疫情，互伊伫航空公司的头路嘛暂停，所以伊决定规个人拢投入这份事业。
But then it was a time. I remember I was actually already like full on in the business. That it was a couple of videos that they got very viral in social media. That was the moment that like celebrities start contact me.
伊做帽仔过程结合水烟、刀仔、火，有当时啊，佫会用镭射雕刻，伫帽仔内底甲图烧出来。伊的设计真特别，伊厉害做法。嘛，伫咧网络累积真侪买奖，有真侪艺术家，甚至阁有好莱坞的明星。即马伊加野的时阵，一个月会当卖20到25顶帽仔，主要拢卖去美国市场。公司新闻，王如梅编译。